Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remotely extend the battery life in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on lost device protection, and from here turn on allow this phone to be found button. And after turning on this button, if your phone is lost or missing, then open this website on another phone or device and log into your Samsung account. Now after logging into your Samsung account, here you will be able to see a extend battery life option. So if you want to remotely extend the battery life of your missing or lost phone, then tap on this option and then click on extend, and then your battery life will be extended. So that's how you can remotely extend the battery life in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.